How to hide following and follower list on Instagram. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this guide video I'll walk you through the steps on how can you hide following and follower list on Instagram. To hide your following and follower list on Instagram, you need to make your account private, which restricts visibility to approved followers only. So that means those people who actually follow you will be able to see your following list. Unlike Facebook, there is no such thing or there is no such directory which could help you to hide following as well as follower list. In order to do it, so what you have to do is you simply want to go to your Instagram application, log in and click on the profile initials from the bottom right hand side corner of your screen. On the next field, you want to tap on the tribar icon and then you want to go ahead and click on account privacy. After you click on account privacy, then on this page you want to make sure to toggle the button in order to turn the account, in order to switch your account to private. Once you've actually done it, so then you will have successfully hid your following as well as follower list. So that is how it works. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.